Top story comes from India. The COVID-19 pandemic in India continues to worsen. The country continues to report more than 300,000 cases every day. The death toll has surged past 200,000 for now. There seems to be no end in sight. As India's health system fails to deliver during the crisis, the international community is stepping up to offer humanitarian aid. Russia sent the first batch of medical aid to India. The 22 tons of cargo is to be airlifted to New Delhi. It includes oxygen generators, ventilators, medicines and other supplies required to deal with the crisis.
Осуществляется доставка в дружественную нам Индию груза гуманитарной помощи для минимизации распространения коронавирусной инфекции. В состав груза входят лекарственные препараты, медицинские изделия, другое оборудование общим весом 22 тонны и объемом 190 кубических метров.
Now, the Russian ambassador to India has said that Russia is closely watching the situation in India. Nikolai R. Kudashev empathized with the Indian people who are currently dealing with an unprecedented spread of COVID-19 and a health infrastructure that is on the brink of collapse.
Anybody, any American, whether you're red or blue, should be extremely disturbed by what happened here today, by the continued politicization of the Justice Department. This is disgusting. This is absolutely absurd, and it's the continued politicization of the...
Meanwhile, Russian President Vladimir Putin spoke with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the phone. The two leaders discussed the ongoing COVID-19 situation. Putin expressed solidarity with the people of India. He conveyed that Russia would extend all possible support. Now, the United States is sending supplies worth more than $100 million to India. The White House has said that the medical aid will include 1,000 oxygen cylinders, 15 million N95 masks, and 1 million rapid diagnostic tests. The US has also redirected its own order of AstraZeneca manufacturing supplies to India. It will allow production of over 2 million doses of the COVID-19 vaccine. The US Secretary of Defense, Lloyd Austin, took to Twitter and shared images of medical supplies ready for shipping. UK Foreign Secretary Dominic Raab has said that a shipment of 600 items, which includes ventilators and oxygen concentrator devices, will be shipped to India this week. The UK will provide India with 3 mobile oxygen factories. Minister for Middle East and North Africa, James Cleverly, said that the mobile facility can provide 1,500 litres of oxygen per minute.
Well, India is a long-standing and close friend and partner to the United Kingdom. We've seen the horrible images and the suffering. So in addition to the oxygen production support we have already allocated, today we are also providing 3 mobile oxygen factories, each of which can provide or produce 1,500 litres of oxygen per minute, and that will help support India in its fight against coronavirus.
Now, the Norwegian government has announced a contribution of $2.4 million towards COVID relief in India. The assistance will be channelized through the World Health Organization and the International Federation of Red Cross. The contribution will be used to scale up ambulance services, blood donation services, medical helplines. The aim is to buy equipment like oxygen tanks for ambulances and procure and distribute hygiene products to migrant workers and other vulnerable groups. The Swiss Embassy in India has said that Switzerland, through the Swiss Humanitarian Aid, will send medical supplies to India. This will include oxygen concentrators, ventilators, and other medical equipment. The material will be distributed with the support of the Indian Red Cross Society. Switzerland stands in solidarity with India in these challenging times.